Let's take a look what's inside the box of the TurboXS license plate relocation kit for the Veloster N. You have the base rod and foot and semi-hemisphere, 4 M6 washers, 4 M6 bolts, 4 M4 bolts, and 1 M8 bolt, and the license plate frame bracket. Alright, to install you're going to need the following tools. You need a 3mm Allen key, 4mm Allen key, and a 5mm Allen key. You will also need a 24mm wrench. You can also get away with an adjustable wrench, but first thing you need to do, push in the top here, so that piece will come out, and now you've exposed your tow hook hole. So if you get up close to that, you can see that this little plastic piece comes out. Usually it just takes a little squeezing to get it out. Put that down. So now I removed it. You can see it's in there. Let's see if I can move this around. All right, yeah, you can see now that is, let's get it in the center there. You can see that. That's pretty much what's keeping it from falling out. So take that part out. So you take the foot, what you see here, I'll hold that up. That's the foot here. And then you have this semi-hemisphere here. You can see that. And a piece, and I guess I'll do that. Oh, a little snow fell off. And you use your 1 M8 bolt. Oops, dropped it. So there you go. You can see that. So you place it inside, like so. You push your bolt through. So now this is what it kind of looks like. And then you just pre-thread it. So I usually just get it hand tight, so you can do that. See what I'm saying here? Very simple. And you take the rod, thread the rod back in, or thread the rod in. All right, now you got it to stop. You take your 24 or your adjustable, whichever one you have, and you snug it down. All right, so you got multiple options of where you want to place this. In general, I think you want to move it far away from the front of the vehicle so you're not blocking up any airflow to the intercooler or the radiator. So my pick is generally going to be about here. So you're going to need your M6 bolts and your M6 washer. Okay, so get one placed here, like that. This next one placed, you can try and wait to tighten that one in the back. All right, you can keep going. Add the rest of the bolts. Here. So once you get it kind of lined up where you want it to be, this is pretty good. You can reach in there, snug up the back end, then use your 4mm to tighten up on the foot. So once you got it pretty much set up, you can step back, take a look at it, and you'll see that it's off a little bit. So that means you need to go down a little, reach in there. Then the last thing would be to put your license plate on. Use the M4 bolts that are included in the kit to bolt your license plate on in place. It's pretty simple. You can do that probably in about 15 minutes.